Home Remedies presents
How to make a nourishing winter lip scrub. The best way to treat dry chapped lips is using a gentle lip scrub and a lip balm that seals in moisture. Sugar, being a natural abrasive, can remove dead cells easily, and so it is one of the best natural skincare exfoliant. It draws in water from the deeper layers of the skin. Let's see how to make the lip scrub. Ingredients: white sugar 1 teaspoon, brown sugar half teaspoon, honey half to 1 teaspoon, almond oil little as required, cinnamon powder just a pinch or a dash. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Directions: take a small bowl and add all the ingredients to it. Now mix them well. You will get a paste-like consistency at the end. Massage the mixture and rub over your lips with light strokes of your fingers and leave for 10 minutes. Then wash off with lukewarm water. Apply a tiny amount of the mixture 2 to 3 times a day while scrubbing and rubbing it along the corners of your mouth as well. Do try this homemade lip scrub and let me know your experience in the comments section below.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.